Have you gotten Ceramic Pro today? We have a filter on Facebook, soon to be on Instagram. Thank you, Robert from 5 Star Plumbing. We've done business with you. You're doing business with us. It's a love affair for great businesses in this area. What did he get? Got his wife a brand new Expedition. What did I do? Boom, Ceramic Pro Gold. Mother Nature's gonna throw what it has at it, and guess what? The OEM clear coat's gonna be protected. Instead of scrubbing, it's gonna be easy wiping. Hell, they may even clean this thing more than it needs to be cleaned. 2-part system, titanium dioxide and silicon dioxide. One is hardness, the other is slick hydrophobic properties. Top tier ceramic coating, been performing year after year. I'll correct your vehicle and it doesn't have to be ceramic coated. Not everything needs a ceramic coating. Wait. A lie. It does. It's the only way you're gonna prevent from having me to correct it. Who's next?